Hey guys, today we're gonna make guacamole. This is one of my favorite snacks. It's delicious, it's healthy, avocado goodness, just all around amazing. First, order your ingredients from Anyfeast. Then you're gonna take your avocado, scoop it all up and put it in a bowl. Now it's time to mash your avocado really well. It's time to add in your chopped onions, coriander, your tomatoes, garlic, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Now all you have to do is stir this up until everything's well incorporated. And you can have this with chips, you can put it on top of bread, you can have it plain.